Well, here we go. That's the last log for the order. I only need actually two 2x4s out of that. Gotta clean up the mill. Be done for this order for today. Remember the pile of logs I had? Still got a few left, but not as many as I had before. These are cut-offs, so still, I can still use them for something. Here's the order. $40, $20, $20 and $40. 42x6s, 41x10s by 10s, and 22x6s. So yeah, unload these. Go back home, have coffee, maybe breakfast. Alright, see you later.